How to install Messenger app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on Play Store app. Now here, so click on search and click on keyboard. So after click on keyboard and search Messenger app, you will see Messenger app is here, so click on Messenger app. So if you want to install Messenger app, so click on this install. So after click on install, you will see your Messenger app is installed according to your internet connection. So you will see Messenger app is downloading. So in Messenger app is download 67%. So you will see few seconds later app is installed. So after the process you will see app is installed. So after the process, go back to home screen and you will see Messenger app is showing on your home screen. So if you want to use, so click on app and enter your phone ID and passcode. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install Messenger's app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.